Hello everyone, our topic for mini project is Word Pick Quiz and my team members are Sheetal Teli, Priya Wagmare, Shweta Vernekar and I am Aishwarya Birazdar. The Word Pick Quiz is a game, one of the famous 10 games of an iPhone, iPod and Android. It is helpful for increasing the IQ levels of an individual. Quiz is a form of a game or a mind sport in which the player attempts to answer questions correctly. A quiz is also a brief assignment used in education and to measure the growth in their knowledge, skills, and ability. The intelligence of an participant is tested during this competition. In an education context, a quiz is usually a form of students' assignment, but the often has fewer questions, offer lesser difficulties, and requires less time for a completion than a test. Additionally, a quiz provides us a string board for a person to expose his or her emotions, beliefs, or actions. Thank you. The further introduction will be continued by my friend Priya Vagbare. Thank you.
Hello, I am Priya Vakmare. As my friend Aishwarya told about the intro of the project. So let us discuss what exactly project is. The WordPic game is a desktop-based application. For implementing, we use a Java programming language as a backend. For designing purpose, we used a NetBeans IDE. Hardware requirement are Windows operating system and 2 GB RAM. It is user-friendly, anyone can use easily. To start the game, you will be shown a screen with the 4 photographs. These 4 photographs each having something in common. Sometimes it will be obvious, while other times it can actually be fairly hard to guess. This is especially true for later levels. The puzzles are somewhat randomized, but you can expect to find most easier ones, early one, and more of the harder ones in progressive level. The further detail about the levels will be continued by Shweta.
Hello, I am Shweta Vernekar. As Priya told you about what were the requirements required by us for implementing the game. Now I will tell you the brief intro what exactly how the game is going to proceed further. The theme below the picture you will see a blank space indicating how many letters are there in the answer. Below that there will be a scramble keyboard for a possible letters you can select from when the typing in the answer.
Hello, I'm Sheetal Teli. As my friend Shweta told us about what are the levels in this game. So let's move towards the applications and the advantages of this game. This application is useful for all the age group of people, especially benefit for the kids and the school students. The education and the academic competitions are the two most important ingredients of the human life. All life on earth need a knowledge and the skills for their survival and the propagation. There is no doubt education is the secret key of the human success and the total root of the education lie on the competition. So developing the skills and the increasing knowledge through the learning process like using the software which will increase the thinking process and the imagination skill. It must be the great choice to have an game on a PC for testing why it is so amazing and interesting. This application is useful for increasing our knowledge or thinking power, etc. Thank you.